Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Cancer. Take only what resonates. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang guys. Tapos, meron akong channel for Cancer. I mean, water sign, which is Cancer is a water sign. Feel free to check it out, Water Sign Philippines. Pa-comment ako dyan sa baba, kahit po heart lang, malaking bagay sa akin yun. Kung gusto mo magpa-book ng personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader, tapos ako, mag-a-announce na lang ako kung open ako sa personal reading or kung may mga free readings ako doon sa aking page. Sa Facebook page ko po, Madam P. Ayan. Doon ako mag-a-announce. Pero baka hindi mo ma-search yun, kaya ang i-search mo, #Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ten of Hearts. This is you, Cancer. What's with the Ten of Hearts? Jack of Diamonds. Ten of Hearts, I'm seeing this as family, friends. Two of Clover is here. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may mga plano. Either ikaw itong may plano regarding family or yung family mo ang may plano. And then, you do have here the Jack of Diamonds na nakakita ka ng support mula sa'yo. Eight of Hearts is here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, I'm feeling like you are being more open pagdating sa future mo. Sa ngayon, I'm seeing that you are the Joker at the bottom of the deck. So, pwedeng naiisip mo mag-take ng risk pagdating sa love or, you know, you are a very emotional person and yung iba sa inyo parang open ka sa love ngayon or you are already in love, falling in love, ganun. Who is this person that you're dealing with? Ka-connect mo, Cancer. Okay, huwag natin kunin yung iba. Ito lang. Five of Hearts is here. Definitely this person is not okay. Pwedeng kasalukuyan nakakaramdam siya ng kalungkutan ngayon. The Eight of Diamonds is here. Actually, itong person na to is like focusing sa money, career, ganyan. Ten of Clover at the bottom of the deck. Pwedeng may mga obligasyon siyang kinaharap ngayon. The Three of Diamonds. So, pwedeng itong person na to focus siya sa money niya kasi gusto niya ng increased growth and you know, more like money, finances thing. Yun yung focus niya. Gusto niya maayos. Emotion mo para sa person na ito. Four of Hearts is here. What's with the Four of Hearts? Five of Spades. Why is the Five of Spades here? Ay, nakikita natin, gusto mong mag-take ng risk dito sa person na to or gusto mong mahal. I mean, you already do love this person or attracted ka na sa person na to. At nandun yung kagustuhan mo or yung willingness mo na magkaroon ng the Joker, which is yung beginning sa inyong dalawa. Pero kailangan mo na magkaroon ng ending. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng hindi ka pa sigurado sa ngayon, pero nandun yung Five of Spades, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy na parang pag nagkaroon ng pagbabago, nandito ako. You know, some of you love this person, pero parang nagiging maingat ka lang. Ano emosyon nitong taong ito sa'yo? For Cancer, please. Five of Clover is here, followed by the Six of Hearts. So, nakikita natin na ang emosyon nitong person na to. Honestly, wala pa akong nakikita sa'yo. Mas nakikita natin dito, maraming changes na nangyayari ngayon sa buhay niya. And with the Six of Hearts, could be a person in the past or yung problem niya has something to do with the person in the past. And itong person na to is being more open pagdating sa options. Sa ngayon, whether sa love or new beginning pagdating sa money. Sabi ko nga, diba, money ang focus nitong person na ito. Pwede nasasaktan siya, nalulungkot siya ngayon. Pero hindi ito may kinalaman sa'yo. Pwede nalulungkot or nasasaktan siya na may kinalaman sa past niya, past person, past situation. So, Anong gustong mangyari nito person sa inyo? Person na ito sa inyo? For the sign of Cancer, please. 8 of Clover is here. I'm seeing like the focus has something to do with family. So, gusto niya maayos or mabago itong pamilya na ito. Magkaroon ng pagbabago within the home. Or a particular member of the family, gusto niya mabago yon or magbago yon. What will happen in the near future for you, Cancer? In the near future for you, Cancer. Two of Hearts, Two of Spade, 10 of Diamonds, Queen of Hearts, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So in the future, nakakita tayo dito ng decision, and I can see decision, and I mean, you're the kind of person na alam mo yung decision na dapat mong gawain according sa kung ano yung mas magbibigay ng more financial growth para sa iyo. So nakakita tayo dito ng decision, partnership, connection, communication with someone na pwedeng makatulong sa iyo na mas mag-increase yung finances mo. And I can see huge growth pagdating sa money. Mas magiging maganda yung flow ng finances at mas magiging maganda yung mga tao sa paligid mo na magbibigay or makakatulong sa iyo para mas mag-grow ka as a person, mag-grow ang financial mo and finances mo. And the Queen of Hearts is here, so you are being your son. This is you, Cancer, with the Queen of Hearts. So you have a lot of love to give, and mas madaling magbigay ng pagmamahal pag nagiging masaya ka, kasi mas namamahal mo or napapakita mo yung pagmamahal na rin na yon sa sarili mo. Like yung iba sa inyo, pag ang bulsa mo maganda, masaya ka rin. And mas na-achieve mo or mas naipapakita mo yung pagmamahal na yon sa kapwa mo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo. If you are happy financially, if you are stable, and if you are, ayun, nasa tamang direction or nasa tamang decision ka sa buhay mo. Okay. Four of Diamonds is here. So, this is pag-iipon. So, I can see you having pwedeng either magkaroon ka ng ipon or dahil dito sa money na ito or career na ito, mas makakaipon ka. And I can see a boost or mas magandang career for you na mas magbibigay ng finances para sa'yo. Future for Cancer. King of Clover is here. Okay. Jack of Spade. Pagdating sa love, I can see two people. Yung iba sa inyo, isa lang. Pero some of you, this is two people na pwedeng with the Three of Hearts. I mean, I can see them, they want you back in your life. Pero, parang medyo ang hirap, medyo imposible sa ngayon. So, thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Ma-appreciate ko yung mga comment ninyo. Maraming salamat po. I-end ko na po yung ating video dito. Maraming salamat. Ingat po kayo and bye-bye.